Hi everyone. In this video we will learn how to insert rotation view wizard in motion study in SolidWORKS 2017. So let's start. First open a new assembly template. We will import the base track. Now we will import 3 separate car models one by one. Just adjust the cars relative to the track such that their initial position is at the start of the track. Now save the assembly file. Let's go to the motion study tool. Select the basic motion option. Now we will change some setting for better visualization. Make frames per second as 150, geometric accuracy as high and 3D contact resolution as high. Select the gravity option and adjust its direction and value if required. Now we will add contact between the individual components. Select all components and click OK. Reduce the motion speed and total time. Now click on the calculate icon. Click on the animation wizard for inserting rotation view. Select Y-axis as rotation axis. Make it 0.25 turns counterclockwise. For now, make duration as 1.8 seconds and start time as 0.2 seconds. Click on Calculate. We can manually shift the keys to adjust the time for rotation. Let's check it on a full window. Further, you can try adding different rotation views into your model. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you.